The Food Service Exchange presents.
Crown Verity makes a full range of accessories that will allow you to perform brilliantly. In minutes, using our pin and slide system and no tools, turn your grill into a complete outdoor kitchen. Specially designed, heavy-gauge, commercially tested side shelves create prep areas that efficiently make the most of your space. A single or double side burner can add another station. A durable stainless steel rotisserie that can hold up to 160 pounds of grilling under a tall roll dome that acts like a convection oven. Crown Verity smoker boxes and charcoal trays are perfect to add smoky flavors to your foods. Just slip a box under the stainless steel grate, fill it with charcoal or wood chips, and start grilling. The charcoal tray allows coals to start up quickly. They can be lit with gas fire and then left to run on their own after turning the gas off. The vegetable and fish tray is perfect for cooking and presenting smaller foods. For smaller groups at breakfast, our customized griddle tray is perfect. For larger gatherings, remove the roll dome and replace with a restaurant-grade griddle. Whenever you're grilling, having the right tools at hand makes everything easier. From tongs to spatulas, forks to carving knives, Crown Verity crafts each and every implement with the same care and exacting standards we bring to our grills. Crown Verity, brilliant for life.